Hello friends, in this episode we will see what are the judiciary and the court system in Morocco. Constitutional Court. There are 12 judges. The term of judge would be 9 years without any reappointment. Now how these 12 judges are elected? 6 judges are appointed by the king, 3 judges are appointed by Chamber of Representatives, 3 judges are appointed by Chamber of Council. The president of this court is appointed by king. This court has jurisdiction to decide as regards regularity of the election of the member of parliament. This court also decides on the operations of referendum. Before coming into force, organic laws are referred to this court to confirm that they are within the legality of constitution. This court has also jurisdiction in respect of interpretation of the constitution. Supreme Court of Justice. This is the highest appellate court in Morocco. This court hears appeal only on law point. This court has 5 specialized divisions: criminal division, civil appeal division, social division, administrative division and constitutional division. This court always hears the cases by a bench of 5 judges. Then there are secular courts, which has communal courts, district courts, courts of first instance, appellate courts. Then there are sadad courts, courts of first instance for Muslim personal law, court of first instance for Jewish personal law, civil laws, criminal laws, commercial laws, administrative laws. Then there is a courts of appeals, which has civil division, criminal division, misdemeanor division. Then there is administrative courts, then administrative courts of appeal, standing military tribunal of the Royal Armed Forces. Then there are neighborhood courts. There is a superior council of the judicial power. This council is presided by king along with 21 other members. Now who are they? President of the Court of Cassation, Procurator General of the King before the Court of Cassation, President of the First Chamber of the Court of Cassation, 4 representatives elected by the magistrates of the courts of appeal, 6 representatives elected by the magistrates of the first instance court, representative of woman magistrate, president of National Council of the Rights of Man, mediator, 5 notable persons appointed by the king. Now what this council does? This council looks after the administrative aspect of the justice delivery system. This council is also involved in appointment of judges and also to take disciplinary action on the judges. So friend, this was the judiciary which is there in the Morocco. In our next episode, we will see what are the other features which are there in the constitution of Morocco. Thank you.